Fix in 5. P0490 EGR control circuit high exhaust gas recirculation valve control volta. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, reduced fuel economy, engine hesitation or stumbling during acceleration, rough idle, increased exhaust emissions. Now the most likely causes. EGR solenoid control circuit wiring short to power or open circuit. Defective EGR control solenoid. EGR valve stuck or carbon buildup. Engine control module, ECM, fault. Corroded or loose electrical connectors on EGR circuit. How to fix it. Clean EGR valve and passages to remove carbon buildup. Replace EGR control solenoid. Repair or replace damaged wiring in EGR control circuit. Replace or repair corroded electrical connectors. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 45-120 doing it yourself, or Euro 165-240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0490? The cost to fix P0490 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cost. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0490. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.